What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. In this video, I'm going to give you guys my secrets to getting results for local businesses with Facebook ads. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. So when it comes to local businesses, a local service business, or people who do advertising for local services, one of the biggest things that I see that they do is they create all these lead generation ads. So what they do is they run these ads to get leads, and then the leads goes to the business owner or the staff for the business. And if it's not a sales-based business like a car dealership or something where they specialize in sales, their staff is not going to follow up on it. Like, let's say like doctor offices, dentists, chiropractors, stuff like that. Their staff is lazy. They don't want to follow up with the leads. They're not in sales. So essentially what happens is two things. If you're the business owner, you're going to get fed up and you're going to say Facebook doesn't work because the leads are horrible. Or if you're selling the service, they're going to fire you because they're not getting results. So this is my secret to getting results for local service businesses, whether it's a gym, yoga studio, doctor's office, whatever. So what most of you do, the biggest mistake is they will create a lead ad on Facebook that looks like this. And I'm not a big fan of it because it's just basically anybody can just tap on it and then Facebook is going to autofill their name with their number and their email address from college or whatever it is, and then goes in there and that's it. It's done. It's too easy. There's no pre-qualifying the leads. There's no getting rid of the tire kicker. So you're getting all these useless leads. Another thing that people do, and I've done this in the past, I'm guilty of it, is they create a very simple lead magnet that has a big headline on it, like you guys can see here. And then you offer a local offer like, give me my voucher. There's only 30 vouchers left and I have to get mine for me to claim that offer. And then they click on here and then they enter their name, their email, phone number. And now it's up to your staff to follow up with them, to hound them, to call them, to text them, to email them, and try to get their attention to sell the membership to your gym. Guys, that is so 1999. Okay, let's get with the program here. So this is what I do, and this is my secret to getting results. So as you can see, the secret is not so much on the Facebook ad campaign because as I'm going to show you, this is a yoga studio. There's nothing special here. Just like the name says, yoga females 18 to 65 on a 10-mile radius. And this is a little town in Minnesota. As you can see, the population is only 190,000 people. The budget is super small. I'm doing this for a friend. So it's $30 a day. We just upped it to 60, which I don't even know if I'm going to run 60 because the population is not big enough. I'm just trying a different angle. So here I'm just using yoga, the interest yoga, that's it. And this one is wide open. There's no targeting because Facebook, the AI knows what you're looking for based on your creative and based on your videos, pictures, and the actual ad copy itself. So as you can see, I just launched this campaign. And you might notice here it says purchases. It doesn't say leads, right? So my cost is $23 a purchase right now, which is still kind of high. So I got to bring that down. I'm probably going to break down by age brackets and bring it down. But I'm still on an ROI, a ROAS of 5.52, and we've made close to $2,000 already. And we just launched that. So what is this? We've sold 14 memberships. And here is the secret. The secret is not the how to hack the ads. It's your actual funnel itself. All right, so this is the secret right here. So let me show you what we do, what I do to get results and to get sales and to get those memberships. So your team doesn't have to go in there and try to sell these people and beg them to call back or beg them to come in. We get them to commit. You got to get them to pull that credit card out and take that offer. So I build a funnel. We build a funnel. So here you're going to see a VSL with the owner explaining the benefits of the gym and all that good stuff. First call to action, join, the gym or whatever. I'm not going to say a name because I'm going to blur all this out to keep it private. But listen, we sell them. This is a long form sales letter, right? So this is a yoga studio. We're talking about yoga, how it benefits your body, how it's so good for the mind, how it's been around for thousands and thousands of years, all these crazy old techniques to strengthen your body and your mind. And then we tell them it's time to regain your health. You've been locked up during this pandemic. It's time to get back in shape. And then another call to action, the offer. We're offering a one-on-one private session today, right? And then we explain the kind of classes that we offer and the powerful techniques that we offer, right? We're educating the audience of what yoga is if they don't know what yoga is yet. And then not only that, but we're giving them an offer they cannot refuse. So not only we're giving you a one-on-one private session with one of the yoga studio teachers, but we're also giving you $20 off your first 2 months. This is unique, an offer that you cannot refuse, right? Then you recap. With our membership, you're already getting unlimited in studio virtual classes, only $89 a month, blah, 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 $40 off the first 2 months. But that's not all. The first 20 people joining us before September 1st get a free 45-minute private session. What is that, guys? That's scarcity. That is telling you, hey, not only are we giving you this amazing deal, but that deal ends September 1st. And it's the only way to get that one-on-one private session with a yoga teacher. In this case, if you have a gym, a trainer, it doesn't matter what it is. Think about it. You got to get crafty. You got to get creative with your offers if you have a local business, right? And then claim your free private 45-minute session right now. Click that button, right? They haven't made up their mind about it. No problem. Here's what people think about our studio that's not even open yet, but it's a franchise. So, there's other locations. And then you have your social proof. This is our social proof that other people are doing it. They've been to the studio. They've been to, it's not the exact same one, but it's the same brand and they enjoy it. Now people are identifying with the studio. It's like, hey, well, these people like it, so it must be good, right? Do you want to feel amazing and rediscovered? You touch on it again. I just hit the microphone. And then another call to action. They're still doubting. They don't know if they want to do it. Well, hey, with the pandemic right now, we know that you're concerned with going to public places, but that's okay. You know what we're doing here? We're getting now we get to the part where if they still haven't bought, we're going to get rid of all the objections that we know they're thinking about. So what happens if classes are pre-booked? Is there a limited amount? It doesn't matter. You just book your class online and you're ready to go. Hey, are they practicing, safety, social distancing and all that? Yes, we keep at least 6 feet between students and the staff. We deep clean and sanitize between every single class. Hand sanitizer available. All students have to bring their own equipment and avoid surface contamination. We ask that you wear a mask to your mat, but then remove it when you're ready to work out. So see, we're answering the questions. All we're doing is we're knocking down the dominoes ahead of time. We're getting rid of the objections. If you know anything about sales, when you're in a business, when you've been selling something for a while, you know what the objections are going to be, which objections are going to come up, right? So we get rid of that. Another question that people may have is like, well, what's the schedule? What should I buy today if I don't even know what the schedule is? It's something that I can attend because of work and because of the kids and because of school. We answer that question. Here's the schedule of all our classes. Okay, that's still not enough. Guess what? We're going to give you a 30-day money guaranteed if you buy today. And all you have to do is click that little button right here. And guess what we're doing? Everything's being tracked by the Facebook Pixel. We have some more pictures. Join today, all that good stuff. And let's say they don't want to join today and they're about to leave my funnel, but I don't want them to leave my funnel, but it does happen. Boom, we have an exit pop-up. Hey, there's only 7 free private sessions left. What is that? Scarcity. Claim yours before it's too late. So this is our last chance to get their name and email information so we can get them into our list, to our email sequence. Because if they don't join today, you should be growing your email list, right? So you can always make an offer to your list. Guys, I tell you this all the time. You should always be making an offer to your list, right? And some of you are like, if you don't know what this is built on ClickFunnels. There's a link in the description where it's 14 days for free. Please use that link if you're thinking about doing it. And boom. Then if they leave or they buy, then we have them on our active campaign. We have a buyers list if we have a non-buyers. Non-buyers are the people that go into that left the funnel but gave us their information. They were about to leave the funnel, but they gave us their information that were dropped off from the cart, right? So we get their email address and we actually have automations in place. Again, active campaign, free trial, link in the description. But we have what's called automations. So if they drop off from the funnel, if they're about to leave the funnel, we have a non-buyers sequence right here, and it's an email sequence that follows up with them every 24 hours, trying to remind them, try to convince them to come back and take advantage of that offer. So as you guys can see here, we have all of our emails. I'm not going to show you the copy because, it's private, but you guys get the idea. See how many emails we send out when they drop off? Look at that, right? Because we want them to come back. And when they buy, we send them the information that they bought. Hey, you bought, thank you, welcome, all that good stuff, right? And then it's the same thing. It's another sequence. All right. That gives them instructions of where the place is at, how to claim everything, what to bring in, how to get ready for class, how to register, all that good stuff. And this is our buyer sequence. Pretty simple, straight to the point. I'll give you a little preview. I'm not going to let you read it, but you get the idea. And that gives the instructions. And then, if they don't, then they get, thank you. This is the landing page, right? And then there's the order form. So, once they click one of those buttons on that form, they get taken to the cart where once again, you show them the offer and they put in their information and they complete the order. And guess what? You sold a membership. You don't have to worry about following up with leads. You can follow up with leads if you want. I mean, nothing wrong with that. So, but now you're doing only your staff or you as a business owner, you're only doing half of the work. What you will do is follow up with the leads that dropped off from the funnel. Right? And if you want to double down, on your follow-up sequences, you can actually do text messaging as well. We decided not to do it on this one because it's not necessary. But if we need to, we'll add it later. It's not a big deal. That's a thank you page. And guess what? All you have to do, if you want your staff or you as a business owner, if you want to follow up with those leads, we just go back to the landing page right here. We open our landing page and then we're going to go to the pop-up section right here, right? And all we have to do is just add the phone number here. And guess what? Now you as a business owner can follow up with the leads that drop off, or your staff can follow up with them. Simple as that. Guys, if you like that video, make sure to check out the links in the description below for free trials for the tools that I showed you in the video. And if you want to keep learning, keep taking the digital marketing game to the next level, make sure to click one of the boxes right above me. And I will see you guys in the next video.